Thank you for joining me today to celebrate this important milestone. As many of you know, I had the privilege of being the Dean of the Thayer School of Engineering for more than 13 years. In my first year as Dean, we completed and dedicated the McLean Engineering Sciences Center, allowing for significant expansion of not just the facilities, but the faculty, the student body, and the impact of engineering at Dartmouth in a liberal arts environment. It's what I became fond of referring to as liberal engineering, a way for our students to understand context first, to understand the world, and then develop the tools of engineering to go out and change it. At that time, I didn't and I couldn't have imagined how interest in engineering, in computer science, and in entrepreneurship, all in concert with the liberal arts, would explode on this campus. There's no question that technology is an essential part of the liberal arts experience for hundreds of our students today, even if they have no plans to pursue a career in technology. While my role at Dartmouth has changed during the past 2 years, this project and the vision for an integrated interdisciplinary center for innovation on the west end of campus will always hold a special place for me. Today, it's a moment for us to celebrate this vision for Dartmouth, as well as the exceptional progress that is being made on the Center for Engineering and Computer Science. This building will leverage 3 virtues that are very much at the heart of what is so special about a Dartmouth education. First, our scale and composition offer amazing opportunities for interdisciplinary teaching and research, and this building is intentionally designed to encourage even more collaboration across disciplines. Our vibrant liberal arts tradition prepares future engineers, computer scientists, and entrepreneurs with a rich, nuanced understanding of the world around them, helping them approach challenges from multiple perspectives and inspiring them to push the boundaries of knowledge for the benefit of society and the world as a whole. And our distinctive teacher-scholar model of education provides exceptional opportunities for hands-on learning, encouraging undergraduates from the get-go to be partners in research. Through the construction of this building, we are affirming our commitment to technology-focused experiential learning as core to a Dartmouth education for majors and non-majors alike. Combined with our goals to grow both our engineering and computer science faculties, we are committed to meeting the increasing demand for technology courses and plan to make these courses widely available as part of a Dartmouth education for all. And when you bring this building together with the adjacent Arthur L. Irving Institute for Energy and Society, also set for completion in fall 2021, and with the existing pillars of Thayer and the Tuck School of Business, Dartmouth is creating something new and powerful as a district on the west end of our campus. This is a place where students with interest across a broad array of fields, from medicine to energy to security to robotics, to the broad principles of design, of human-centered design, can converge. There are countless individuals who deserve our thanks for this moment and the progress that has been made to date. On behalf of President Hanlon and on all of Dartmouth, I would like to thank our architect, Wilson Architects, Bill Wilson and his team, our landscape architects, Michael von Valkenburg Associates, and our construction manager, Turner Construction. And I especially want to thank the 50 alumni, parents, and friends who have given over $166 million towards the $200 million building thus far. This building is wholly funded through philanthropy and is a remarkable testament to the generosity of the Dartmouth community and their commitment to enhancing technology-focused experiential learning as a core piece of this institution's curriculum.
I'm Alexis Abramson, Dean of the Thayer School of Engineering at Dartmouth, and I want to thank you for joining us for this important milestone in the construction of Dartmouth's new Center for Engineering and Computer Science. At this moment, Dartmouth's west end of campus is at the brink of transformation into an exciting new hub for discovery and innovation. At a time when humanity faces great challenges, climate change, an evolving pandemic, ongoing threats to cybersecurity, it is imperative that our future leaders and innovators take on a human-centered approach to creating the tools, technology, and systems necessary for improving the human condition. With this new facility, we will not only double the space available for this important work, but integrate engineering, computer science, and entrepreneurship in a much more meaningful way. For engineering, this building will bring more resources and space to help us increase our faculty and expand our capacity for research, additional labs and classrooms for engineering students to collaborate and discover, and more engineering and computer science opportunities for all Dartmouth students, no matter their major. I am thrilled to be soon joined by our colleagues in the Department of Computer Science and the Magnuson Center for Entrepreneurship under one roof, to teach and learn, create and innovate across disciplines without boundaries or barriers to have an even greater impact on society than ever before. We celebrate the placement of the final structural beam today, and I look forward to the opening of this new building in fall of 2021. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Professor Devin Balkcom, incoming chair of the Department of Computer Science. As we reach this milestone in the construction of the Center for Engineering and Computer Science, I look forward to the new collaborations and discoveries ahead for faculty and students alike. As Dartmouth enters its next 250 years, the Center for Engineering and Computer Science will put Dartmouth at the forefront in creating a bold approach to teaching computer science and engineering in the context of the liberal arts. The new building will create space and teaching capacity to offer engineering and computer science courses to all interested Dartmouth students, enabling 100% of undergraduates to take courses in technology as part of their liberal arts experience. In addition, this space provides for the strategic investment to increase faculty of computer science by 50%. Faculty from different Dartmouth departments and schools will work side by side in the new center, focusing on shared ideas and interests, co-teaching courses, and working together to engage students as their research partners. By design, hands-on experiential learning and the open exchange of ideas will be pervasive throughout the center.
Hi, I'm Eric Fossum. I am a professor at Thayer, and I direct Dartmouth's PhD innovation programs. As Associate Provost, I head the Office of Entrepreneurship and Technology Transfer, also known as OETT. In this latter role, I provide strategic and managerial oversight of Dartmouth's Technology Transfer Office and the Magnuson Center for Entrepreneurship, and together we serve as a hub for new venture creation and industry engagement at Dartmouth. The Magnuson Center was created by the generosity of dozens of alumni donors, and in particular, that of Allison and Rick Magnuson, class of 1979, with their lead gift plus gifts of $1 million each from an astounding 26 Founders Circle members. The Magnuson Center quickly became an endowed center and resource to promote entrepreneurial thinking on the Dartmouth campus for years to come. The Digital Applied Learning and Innovation Lab, better known as DALI, was born in computer science and is now part of the Magnuson Center. Many students across campus participate in DALI activities and projects that involve developing skills in computer programming and entrepreneurial thinking. The new social entrepreneurship program will also weave through the 4 pillars and includes academic faculty on campus. The Magnuson Center also helped create the Tuck Lab initiative to provide basic business skills to undergraduates. The Magnuson Center is prominently located at campus level in the new building, outwardly facing the rest of campus. It will continue to interact with the campus at large, such as with chemistry or Geisel, and be further fueled by its co-location on the west end of campus with Thayer, Computer Science, Tuck School of Business, and the Arthur Irving Energy Institute. Considering what we do, we couldn't ask for better neighbors. It's a pleasure to be part of the topping off celebration. And speaking as a Thayer faculty member whose office has overlooked the construction site for many, many months, I am particularly glad that we are now moving on to the next phase. Thank you and congratulations from all of us at OETT.
Hello everyone, I'm Joe Broemel. I have the pleasure of being the Senior Project Manager for the Center for Engineering and Computer Science project. On behalf of the Dartmouth Office of Planning, Design and Construction, I'd like to thank all the Dartmouth stakeholders who have helped bring the project to this point today as we top off the steel erection phase of the building. We have had years of planning and coordination meetings with representatives from the Thayer School of Engineering, Computer Science Department, and the Magnuson Center for Entrepreneurship, along with the Wilson HGA Architect Design Team. The thousands of hours spent by everyone involved will surely result in a very impressive and much needed facility. The CECS building is the largest project in Dartmouth's history. With the parking garage, it is roughly 67% larger than the class of 1978 Life Sciences Center. Every construction project experiences unique challenges, and the CECS building has certainly had obstacles to overcome to date. The COVID pandemic has required numerous new safety protocol implementations and construction procedures, but it has also created the opportunity to take advantage of the current conditions with reduced pedestrian and vehicular traffic around the job site, as well as lessened noise reduction protocols at the student residences. To date, we have had 6 months of enabling projects, 6 months of earth excavation, 7 months of concrete foundation work, and 5 months of steel erection. This work included exporting 140,000 cubic yards of earth, placing over 14,000 cubic yards of concrete, and erecting 4,000 pieces of steel weighing 2,900 total tons. Turner Construction and their subcontractors have worked 158,000 hours to date to accomplish these feats. You will see the exterior facade begin in July and, along with the roof, be complete by next spring. The bridge to McLean is anticipated to be installed by December, and the interior fit-out will begin in July. The site work will be completed in the summer of 2021 as the project nears completion. The ceremonial beam is a hoist beam for installation and maintenance of the 3 elevators in the building. Because it is not technically a part of the building support structure, it will not require a covering of spray-on fireproofing. Therefore, the signatures on the beam, representing many of those who had a part in the project, will remain visible in perpetuity within the building. The tradition of placing a tree on the ceremonial beam is said to date back to ancient Egyptian or possibly Scandinavian origins. The tradition is also thought to be carried over to America to honor the Native American ironworkers who worked on the nation's earliest high-rise buildings. Regardless of the original belief, all involved agree that the evergreen carries many positive connotations. Good luck to the building occupants, a safe construction project, and an important milestone in the building's construction. Okay, the beam is in place.
In closing, I would again like to thank the donors who have given so generously to this historic project. We will honor them when we dedicate the building in 2021. For now, I want to express our deep appreciation for their belief in the power of this opportunity, not just for engineering or computer science, but for one Dartmouth. Finally, I want to thank all of you for joining us today to celebrate this important milestone. I could not be more excited to see this building emerging from this hillside. the embodiment of Dartmouth's vision for an integrated, technology-focused education available and accessible to all. I so look forward to seeing you all back here in fall of 2021 for the celebration and dedication of this incredible vision and landmark building.